Yes, you can cancel your T-Mobile home internet or mobile internet plan online or through the My T-Mobile app without making a phone call. Start by logging into the My T-Mobile app or website with your T-Mobile ID and verify your identity. Then navigate to the Services or Plans section. Select your internet plan and choose Cancel Service. The process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll receive a confirmation via email or app notification. Make sure to settle any outstanding balances and return equipment like routers to avoid fees. Keep in mind that during the online cancellation process, T-Mobile may offer personalized deals to retain your business, such as discounts or plan upgrades. You're free to accept or decline these offers. Also, remember that cancellations are generally irreversible, but reactivation might be possible within 30 days for most services. Looking ahead, the trend is toward even greater digital self-service in telecommunications. Experts predict an increasing reliance on AI-driven chatbots and voice-activated cancellations via smart home devices. By 2027, it's estimated that 80% of cancellations will be handled digitally. However, it's important to stay vigilant against scams and always use official T-Mobile channels like T-Mobile.com or the app for cancellations.